Hello and welcome to Module 8 for ED 584. This module continues our study of the different forms of the ANOVA, specifically focused on the within subjects ANOVA analysis procedure, also referred to as the repeated measures ANOVA, where the one way between subjects ANOVA allowed us to compare independent groups. The within subjects ANOVA allows us to compare related groups and is similar to the related t-test in its purpose. Assumptions of the within subjects ANOVA are similar but different from that of a between subject ANOVA and should be closely reviewed. When working with SPSS, you'll find that the organization of the data for a within subjects ANOVA needs to be structured in a different manner than how it was done with the between subjects ANOVA. For a within subjects procedure, each factor level shall be recorded in SPSS as its own variable. In other words, if the research involves a factor with three levels, the data set will need at least three separate variables, one for each factor level. If it was 4 levels, then the data set would entail at least 4 separate variables. Thinking back on the subjects on the between subjects ANOVA, you'll note this is different. It is a different way to organize the data. And moving into the activities, here's the objectives for you. And then with the activities, the reading will be chapter 13 from the statistics for the behavioral sciences. And we have the supporting PowerPoint and also supporting YouTube. And then section 6.7 on how to use SPSS. The assessment will be the Module 8 reflective commentary, and the link is right here. A couple things to think about for the next module. We are moving toward the midterm of the semester, and after finishing the study of the topics within this module, it is recommended you take some time to review the materials covered in the course to date. Also, familiarization with published studies that have used the ANOVA method will be valuable in better understanding how the procedure is used and how it is reported within formal publications. We're coming up to the due date, and this is just a friendly reminder for the research proposal summary, and that is due on March 15th. And you should also start to be thinking about and even starting your draft research methodology chapter of the dissertation or thesis assignment, the final project for the course. And there's also a presentation that goes along with that. And as I mentioned, we are getting close to the midterm of the semester. The semester has flown by quickly. The end will get here even quicker as we move into March, and spring's here, then April, and then early May. We will also be having our second round of face-to-face discussion meetings and in Moscow, Coeur d'Alene, and Boise, and I will be sending out more information on the exact locations for those. And also as a reminder, the research presentation review will be coming up, and that will be with the webinar for the University Council for Workforce and Human Resource Education, and I will be sending out information to register for that as soon as possible. As always, if you have any questions, especially the first round of papers, the quantitative article review have been sent back with my feedback. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to discuss with you my feedback. Take care, and thanks for joining.